Hello children, I wish you a very good day. A great news is here. I hope you are aware of it. Our school is going to host Rubik's challenge. Isn't it surprising? Oh, don't be afraid. I'm here to help you solve the Rubik's Cube in 7 simple steps. I want you to get a Rubik's Cube from the local stores or online, either from Amazon or Flipkart. The Rubik's Cube has to be checked for a color scheme. Look around the cube and see whether yellow and white are on opposite sides. And turn the cube, check for green and blue are on the opposite sides. And turn again and check for orange and red on the opposite sides. Choosing the right Rubik's Cube helps you use the method which I say you now to solve the challenge. At first, sit comfortably to rest your arms well while holding this cube. Basically, there are 6 phases. This is front face, this is up face, this is left face, and this is right face. That is back face and this is down face. Additionally, I'm going to call 3 layers as rows. This is the top row and the second layer is what I call as middle row. And the third layer, which is at the last, is what I call as bottom row. And each and every colored area in a face is called as a tile, specified by its color. Well, step 1 is to form a daisy flower pattern on the up face. For that, we need to look for an yellow central tile to be positioned at the up face. Please look for the yellow central tile around the cube and make sure the yellow central tile is facing up. Now, look for the white tile to be brought in these 4 positions. If you achieve bringing the white tiles in these 4 positions, the first step job is done. Now look around the cube in all the faces and see for white tile in these 4 positions. By chance, if you get a white tile here, it's going to be pretty easy to make one of the petals of the flower at the up face. I've located here the white tile at the left middle layer, middle row, and this white tile, if to be brought to the up face at this position, you just have to turn the left face and that's it. The first petal is formed. And now look around and see for any other white tile that is located in the left or the right or on the top or on the bottom layers. You see here another white tile, and if you turn, you make another white petal of the flower. And now again we are going to look for the white tile elsewhere around the cube. Thankfully, we got another white tile here on the right side of the middle row, right in the front face. It's pretty easy. Now again look for the white tile, and you see the white tile at the last layer, that is the bottom row. In order to bring this white tile at the bottom row to here at the up face, you would have to turn the front face left, because the white tile has to be brought to the right side of the up face in this position. So you turn this front face in the counterclockwise direction, and now you got the white tile here, and it's pretty easy for you to bring that white tile to the expected position. But there is something wrong gone here. You might be worrying about it. The white tile which is already formed there was disturbed. But it's okay. If you look at here on the other side, the white tile is not disturbed yet. So simply you would have to bring the white tile by turning clockwise again. If you happen to get a white tile at the top row, you might think it would be pretty hard to bring this white tile at the top row to the up face. But it's very simple. You just have to turn the front face clockwise, and if you would have to bring this white face at here, you have to turn the up face and position it in such a way that this white tile comes there exactly when you turn the right face like this. If you see the white tile at the down face located in somewhere here or here or here or here, the principle is very simple. We just have to locate the up face in such a way the unformed tile position is exactly up above the white tile that is available with us. You see? So now turn clockwise, and now you get the daisy flower formation completed. You need not worry about the white tile which is already formed here. Whether it is formed or not, it's not a matter at all. Our focus and goal is just about these 4 white petals and the yellow central tile at the center. That's it. Step 1, formation of daisy flower pattern on the up face is completed. There are still 6 steps to be followed. I will be saying you the method of solving each and every step in the upcoming videos. Thank you.